What's poppin' 10? I'm depositing all these ends while you motherfuckers got to be. What's poppin', what's poppin',
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm jumping like straight into the video. As you can see, I'm doing another wig review. I already have my wig cap on, so you already know what time it is. If you're new here, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Be sure to leave me a like, be sure to leave me a comment after watching this video. Guys, so today's hair was sent to me by Celie here, and it came in this really cute purplish lavender box, and lavender is my favorite color, so I love it even more. So it came in this lavender bag. No, this lavender bag came in the box, so you can store your wig once you're done with it. And this bag is really pretty. I'm loving the colors. And inside the bag as a free gift, I got some wig caps, as well as the usual brochure that comes with these wigs. It tells you your socials and stuff that you can follow. And they also give me a free pair of lashes. So the hair that I got was their 20-inch body wave wig. So they sent me their highlighted body wave lace wig, and it's 20 inches. And I'm super excited. I realized I've been reviewing a lot of blonde wigs on my channel as of late, and I'm really tempted to color my natural hair. I really am. So this is their 13 by 6 lace front, and it's 180% density, and this is what it comes in. So straight out of the packaging, the color is really pretty. It starts dark at the roots and then it transitions into the blonde, and I like the way it transitions. It looks really nice. The front is pre-plucked. It's definitely pre-plucked. The knots aren't bleached, so you definitely would have to bleach the knots or use makeup or something on the knots. I think I'm going to use my spray tan legs for the knots, but the knots look really good, and it's individually knotted, so it looks way more natural. So this is the front, and as I said, it was pre-plucked, and it has baby hairs already made for you. Well, that you can use to do baby hairs, but the front looks really nice. I like how they plucked it, and I don't think I'll be going in to pluck this because it's already done. The inside of the wig has 4 combs, 2 in the middle section close to the ear tabs, 1 in the middle, and 1 at the back. It has adjustable straps, you know, the usual wig construction. I'm just gonna try it on to see what it looks like without doing anything to it. Ooh. I really like the hairline, straight out. The hairline is pretty nice. We're gonna cut these because I don't know why the baby hairs are this long, but the hairline is pretty nice. And I like the color. It kind of has a smell almost, but I think because it's pre-colored, so it's the chemicals that they use. But I really like this color, and I think this hair is gonna be a whole vibe. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of this video, and let me tell you, I'm in love with this wig. Like, let me know your thoughts down below. Like, I really love the color. I love how the lace is. Like, I had a little bit of problems in the middle section of the video. Like, I was putting on the lace, but because I use like the spray tan legs, I don't know if it wasn't dried properly or whatever, I tried adhering that to the glue and it just came off like really yucky, and I literally had to remove the entire install and like redo it from scratch. But I'm glad that I didn't give up, and I'm glad that I did it, and I'm loving it. The lace looks amazing, the parting space is amazing, it curls really well, and I had shedding here and there, but like nothing out of the ordinary because it is colored hair, so it will shed because it has been bleached, but nothing out of the ordinary. I have not added any oils or anything, and I think it has like a natural looking luster. I really wish I could like layer, because I would definitely like put some layers in this, but I'm really loving it. So this is the hair straight out of the package. The only thing I added was the spray tan legs and nothing else. Let me know your thoughts down below. Please leave me a like, please leave me like a comment, and most importantly, like, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll definitely catch you in my next one. Bye.